Hello, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making my omelette because I feel like eating omelette. And this is all the ingredients. I don't have a fresh mushroom, but I have these canned mushrooms. And this is luncheon meat loaf that I already ordered the the can because it won't come out, so I punch in the bottom, that way you can get air and then it will come out. So I have these egg whites right there, egg whites, and I'm just gonna add 4 eggs. I have 3 tomatoes and some string onions and a milk. I put little milk on my omelette, and there's Italian seasoning and black peppers and salt. We just cut the onion in small piece. You can also add jalapenos, but I don't have jalapenos right now. I'm just gonna put hot sauce on top when it's cooked. Okay, the tomato we just also cut like cubes. It's up to you if you wanna remove the seeds, but I do. I'm crying with the onions. My eyes got me the onions. Actually, it's 12 o'clock. I didn't know that time. I was cleaning up in my pantry and threw all some of that expired already. So I didn't notice the time. So I got hungry and then I said, oh, I want an omelette today. We are not usually eat breakfast. I just have coffee and sometimes a piece of bread. And then also sometimes I eat a lot of breakfast. I'm weird, right? And then when I go to work, I eat breakfast because I have a medicine with me, but not every day. I eat a lot. Whatever that left over there in the fridge, I eat that breakfast. And then I don't have lunch. I don't eat lunch if I eat a lot of breakfast. Then my dinner is like early, like 3 or 4 o'clock p.m. when I get home from work. I only use the 3/4 size of this because this is like a little bit salty. I don't know where I bought this. I don't even remember. So before it gets expired, so like I said, I was cleaning up in my pantry, so I just make an omelette. I have tomato in my fridge, and I found a mushroom also. So it come up in my mind to cook omelette. The only thing I don't have is my jalapeno. Jalapeno is good in my omelette, but it's okay. just want to share with you how I cook my my omelette. You might want it, try it, or you might be interested. So let's crack all the egg. I think 3 is enough. I already have a lot here. This is my leftover on my cake the other day. So might as well, we're just gonna make a omelette for this. So what I do on my egg, I also put a little bit of this, a little bit of salt. Hold on. And a little bit of salt. Some peppers. And I put 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. That is optional. It's up to you if you want to put it or not. Okay, and then stir it until all the yellow is dissolved and also the egg whites. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, now let's add a little oil, or you can also use butter. But this one, I use my olive oil. And lower your fire. Then cook this one first. It's gonna be a lot, huh? It wasn't that heat yet, but it's okay. You just have to let this a little brown. Now let's add a little of this also. Let's cook like 1 minute, 2 minutes. And now let's add some tomatoes. I think I have a big omelette today, huh? And also my pan is too small. I don't know how I flip this now. You can also put cheese on top. After you, yeah, I will do that too. I have cheese on my refrigerator. Now you can add, so let's add some Italian seasoning, the salt, black pepper, and the garlic peppers. And we add the onions. And the milk. Let's milk absorb to the vegetables. And just wait a little bit, going to dry out a little. That one should be okay. So let's pour the eggs, I guess. I keep pressing my tongs right in the middle, that way it can dry out or even the egg to cook. I got it! I got excited when I flip it and then it shoot to the pan. Because I not usually do that. Oh wow. Okay, let's put some cheese there. This is optional. If you don't have it, you don't have to. Just little. And then you can use any kind of cheese, like you know that mixed one. I only have mozzarella this time, so I just use mozzarella. And I just flip it like that. Just a big omelette. Always. If there's a last one, you got a big one. There. Perfect. Okay guys, so it's my late breakfast, vegetables omelette and 2 slices of toast bread, and I have also mandarin and my cappuccino. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okie dokie, see ya.